What's up, y'all? You guys miss me? I know y'all miss me. I know y'all miss me, right? What is up, guys? Hey, how's it going? I'm back with another. I'm sorry it took a while. I've been working with my new job and I'm doing fantastic. You know what I'm saying? You know what? You gotta make that bacon, right? Gotta make the bacon. But with that being said, what I want you to do, I want you to go over to ReverbNation.com and check out Chronicles Fun Show music, which is you gonna get some crazy, scary, spooky kind of rock music. I got rock, I got goth, I got metal, I got horror rap and industrial and cyberpunk and you name it, I got it all. Go over to ReverbNation.com right now and go check out Chronicles Fun Show music. Just Planet Creepy Fun Show. You'll see a creepy looking guy with a red background, long dreads, and all that stuff with red going out. Yeah. Alright, with that being said, that to the side, I'm back with this video because I'm going to try do a belching video. Yes, you hear me correct. Yeah, I know you guys love all them belching videos. Let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to start off, I'm going to drink a soda and I'm going to belch loud as I can. I'm going to try and make it sound kind of sloppy or whatnot, but with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, y'all, I got myself a thing of Coca-Cola Zero, you know, hey, well, it is what it is. But what I'm going to try, I'm going to open this bad boy up and I'm going to take a sip and see if my belches get any louder or anything different sound of belching. Who knows? Let's get right into it. Oh. All right, round two. No, all right. Third time's a charm. Bottoms up. Wow, man, it's like it gets high and then low and then gets stopped in the middle, and you know it is, you know, you hear it. Let's try round four. I don't know. I think I do better without beverages. What do you think? Comment below if I sound a lot better when I'm not drinking any beverages or with the beverages. So, with that being said, I love you guys. Let's get crazy!